Right now I have Nissan Sylphy of 2017, and this vehicle has a problem with check engine on the dashboard. So right now the vehicle is running, but we have check engine on the system. Another thing is loses power when you are driving, especially when you are climbing the lane. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using my scanner so that we identify the main fault code. According to my scanner, the main fault code is P0846, which is pressure B. According to this fault code, the main problem can be the low or dirty transmission fluid, the faulty sensor itself. Another thing can caused by the wiring or connector issues, internal transmission problems, and valve body issues. So according to this vehicle, because it's a new vehicle, we are going straight to the dirty and transmission fluid. So I'm going to remove the strainer. I'm going to remove the filter so that we clean everything. But according to this vehicle, the filter is dirty, so we are going to change the new filter. This is the new filter. Then we clean the we normally call the strainer. After that, I'm going to do service with the new transmission fluid. So right now I make sure everything's good. Then we installing everything back the way it was before. After doing that, we had to do service with a new fluid, transparent fluid. Then had to go back and clear the code from the system. Look, the clear code is completed. I had to read again. See, so right now the vehicle is running perfect. See, acceleration is smooth. Then shifting, reverse, there's not any delay. Neutral, drive. So the main problem was dirty filter and low transmission fluid. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.